Hey guys, welcome to another Fridays with Knives and Tools.
Yeah.
This is Thomas. Let's look at some of the new products we've added this week.
Let's do it.
First off, we have the Mercury Luc or Luc. It's Italian, so I'm not sure. It's a gentleman's knife, slip joint. A little bit of a traditional knife with modern materials.
Really futuristic.
Yeah, the design is quite futuristic, but also a little bit classical. A little bit of both.
Looks really cool. And about these handle materials, is it all aluminium?
Yes, technically it's all aluminium, but these versions also have an inlay. So you have the micarta inlay, or an orange G10 inlay, or the natural G10 inlay, whichever you prefer, or just the full aluminium versions.
And which one do you prefer?
Yeah, either the green aluminium or the green micarta, or natural micarta. And you?
Yeah, I think I would go for the green micarta. It looks really good.
That's one.
Yeah, I think I would prefer this one.
Good choice. It's a little bit of a hunter pocket knife as well, with the clip-on blade.
And the micarta gives this uniqueness over time, which is really cool, I think.
Yes, yeah, it gives a bit of, will wear a bit. Same brand, also kind of in the hunter style, is the Mercury Trek, which is a fixed blade. Yeah, they call it a tracker knife, so it's really for hunting. It's a trailing point, so it has a very sharp point, made for piercing skin, and the big belly is great for field dressing, for taking off skin. What I notice is that it's very lightweight for the size.
Yeah, indeed, it's very lightweight.
Yeah, and 690 steel.
Okay, and about these handle materials, can you tell me something about that?
Yeah, we have two micartas again, so the natural micarta and green micarta, and two wooden handles, olive wood and Palo Santos wood, I think, palisander. And the wooden handles have a satin finish, and the micarta has a stone-washed finish.
And which one do you prefer, the stone wash or the satin?
I like stone wash, and I also like wood.
So
I have to buy two and change the handles.
Switch up.
Yeah. I mean, it's really nice and rough, the handles.
Yeah, I think normally I would prefer a micarta, but in this case I really like the olive wood one.
But yeah, very cool. Bushcraft hunter knives, and like I said, the leather sheet.
Yeah, very appealing.
If you're not into hunting, but you do like fishing, for example, we have here the Case fishing knife. Yeah, really traditional pocket knife, made in America, with two blades, one normal knife and another blade with some fishing tools. Handle is made from maple burl or bird's eye maple.
Looks really good.
And some silver nickel bolsters, I think.
And about this part, where can you use this for?
Yeah, so one is just a normal blade with a very low profile, so it's great for cutting delicate fish. And this blade has two prongs on the tip. Those are for de-hooking your fishing hook out of the fish. It's not serrated because it's not sharpened, but it's for descaling the fish. So if you cut a fish, you want to descale it. And the most important tool is, of course, the bottle opener. After a long day of fishing, you can wind down
cold one.
in the cold beer.
And this white part, where can you use this for?
That's a fish hook sharpener. So it's a small ceramic stone in the side that you can use for sharpening the hook of your fishing rod.
So you can basically just do everything with this knife when you go fishing.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Really cool.
It's a all-in-one fishing multi-tool. Kind of.
Looks good.
Yeah. Next up is the Kershaw Iridium. This is a KATO EU exclusive, so in Europe you can only buy it with us. Titanium handle, CPM 20 CV steel, and the nice lock, the side lock, Dura lock they call it. It's the lock from Kershaw. Also reminds me of the Benchmade locks and all the side slide locks, but it's really smooth.
And about this blue part, why is it blue? Because the original is black, right?
Yeah, the original, there's some differences with the original and this exclusive one. So you have the blue hardware. It's also titanium, I believe. The original has black hardware. This has titanium handles, and the original has aluminium handles, also a bit darker. And of course the blade steel is different from D2, and this one is 20 CV. Those are the key differences for this knife. Because of the titanium, nice and lightweight, and just the action is great. Get yours now on the website. Next up is the Böker 1969 Z28 Damast, which is designed after the Camaro Z28 from 1969, which was of course the best year. It's designed by Tommaso Romici, Italian knife designer. He took aspects of the original Camaro Z28 and designed it into a knife, like a muscle knife. Not a muscle car, but a muscle knife.
yeah, you can really feel the power of the car in this knife. So about this Damas steel, is there anything special?
Yeah, so the steel itself is made by Chet Nichols, which is an American steel maker. It's made from the upper A arm of an original Camaro Z28. So that's pretty cool. That's actually a part of the cars in the knife. Apart from that, you have these air intakes on the side. That you can also find those at the rear wheels of the car. You also have the pivot screw. There is designed after the wheels, the hubcaps. Yeah, the color is called Le Mans Blue, which is also one of the original colors of the car. So it has some very cool aspects. Handle is aluminium, nice
cool.
blue thumb stud as well, only on the left side. So keep that in mind.
So rumor has it that when you hear very closely to this knife, you can still hear the car.
There is a slight V8 sound. You can put it to the microphone, you can hear it. Yeah, you can hear the V8 roaring. Let's do the Böker 110, just the special edition of the very popular Böker 110. S45 VN steel, the 2023 limited edition.
What makes this really a special knife?
Well, the popular original has the clip point blade. This one has a drop point, which I personally really like as well. And it has a special handle material called Richlight, which is kind of the same as micarta, but different. It's made from a paper material with resin. So you have nice layers, dark and light layers. Very durable stuff. But I'm always surprised how big this knife is compared to...
Yeah, me too.
If you see the pictures online, it just looks like a normal pocket knife, but it's actually quite big. Hollow ground as well.
Yeah.
Which is very nice.
But yeah, of course there is a reason. It fits really good in your hand and it's looking really good.
Yeah. And it's very grippy, the machine parts.
Really cool.
Yeah, very nice knife. Another special or limited edition is the Böker Magnum. So it's D2 steel, black micarta handle, Burnley design. Yeah, also special 2023 edition. Very big knife, but not super heavy.
Yeah, it's really big. But I must say these handles look really good. They are really appealing to me. Mm-hmm. Is there anything special about these handles?
Well, as you can see, you have the big finger grooves here. So that does mean that it has to fit your hand. But it's still very nice and nice to hold, very grippy. It's really nice to hold. And the jimping on top.
I noticed two ways of...
Yeah, so it has the false edge or the swedge. It's the bevel ground here on the top. One side is grounded that way and the other side is grounded that way. So that gives us a nice reflection, like a two-tone reflection almost. It's more for the design, also helps with keeping the knife lightweight, but just looks cool as well.
Looks really cool.
And you get a nice leather sheet with it as well. So it's all black sheets today, but I don't give a shit. Then we have another one, which is the Hogue Deka, which is a more modern pocket knife, I would say. FRN handle, so fiberglass reinforced nylon.
Really lightweight, right?
Yeah, really lightweight. Reminds me of the Benchmates, the Benchmade bug out. There's multiple versions, so we've added quite a lot. It's mostly the blade style. So you have the drop point over there, and this is the Warncliffe. This is compound ground as well, and the handle colors differ as well. So you have green or camouflage even, blue, black, dark earth. Many different colors. So.
Yeah, and I noticed that you can even switch up the pocket blade to the other side if you're a lefty.
Yeah, so this is a very symmetrical knife. So thumb stud on both sides. The lock, which they call the able lock, you can use on both sides, and indeed the pocket clip, so you can put it on whichever pocket you want. There were so many, so this is just a small selection. And we also have
what else?
A special deal. Do you like deals?
I really like deals. Tell me about it.
I was wearing it already. I don't know if you've seen it. So for every SENCUT or WE knife or CIVIVI knife from 29 euros or up, you get a free paracord bracelet with it.
And what's so special about this bracelet?
Well, paracord is always useful when you're outside. You can tie stuff together. It also has a...
Look at that.
It has a whistle.
It does work though.
It does work. And you can use it as a choker. You can...
Whenever in need. Yeah, it does.
Very good. Well guys, thanks for watching. Check out the other new products on the new product page. Thank you, Thomas, for hosting with me.
I really enjoyed.
And see you later, man.
Oh, okay. Bye.